Good day everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and no subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to edit peeling of clothes transition effect. Alright, this kind of video, how to edit this video, I believe you've been seeing this video on TikTok, Facebook and other social media accounts. Right, I'm going to show you step by step on how to edit this video. Please, I want you to stick to the end of this video and make sure you follow this video step by step so that you can understand everything that I'm going to do in this video. All right, we are going to be using CapCut in this video and it is free. So without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So here on CapCut, I've already clicked on new project and add my video. So this is my video. Please pay attention. First of all, you need to place your phone on a tripod using a landscape or portrait mode, anyone that works for you. That's quite alright. So now, this is how you're going to record this video. Now let me fast forward this video. Now in this video, you are going to be making some gestures, some action, right? So this is what you're going to do. Can you see that action? I pretend as if I want to pull off that clothes. Immediately I make that action. Good. So I'm going to change the clothes. All right, I will bring that same clothes, that orange clothes. So I'm going to repeat that same action. Can you see? Can you see that same action and that maintain same position? Please maintain same position. You can decide to put something at that place so that you'll be able to maintain that same position. Very important. So let me show you the second one too. Okay, look at it here. Can you see? Can you see I pull it off? So I'll change to that clothes. Can you see? So this one is long. So this is it. Can you see? So this is how you are going to record all the videos. So I'm going to be using that two samples. Now the very first thing is we need to split out the parts we don't want. All right, from here I need to split from here. Can you see split? And we are going to delete this part. Delete. So once you delete it, that point that I put my hand on that I'm about to pull up that clothes, I'm going to split it. You see from this point, from this point, right? I'm going to split it. So I'm going to move it to where I change the clothes. Yes, as I'm about to pull off this clothes like this, can you see? I'm just going to split it. Good. I'm going to split from here. Now you see this middle, I'm going to delete it. So you are going to have it like this. Can you see that transition? Amazing. So you are going to move to the second part where I put hand on my chest. Can you see? So I'm going to split from here and go over to that point that I changed to that clothes, which is here. Okay, which is here. That point I'm about to pull it out like this. Good. I'm going to split it from here. You see all this middle, you are going to delete it. So you are going to have it like this. Can you see the transition? Amazing. Yes, it will just be as if you pull out that clothes from your body. So that is how it works. Let's do the rest, which is here. Now this one is this is it. Okay, that point that I touch can you see that point? So I'm going to split it from here. So I'm going to move it forward. That point I changed to the other clothes. Can you see? Good. I'm going to split from here. You see I'm going to delete this middle. Delete. So I'm going to have it like this. Good. So let's move to the last one, which is this. Immediately I touch my chest, I'm going to split it. So I'm going to move to that last part. Yeah, I believe you're enjoying this video. Good. So I'm about to pull. Good. I'm going to split from here. I'm going to delete this place. Delete. Please make sure you pay attention. Please click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Don't forget to share this video to as many groups as possible so that we can grow. Please share this video massively. Drop your comments. So let's move on. So now what you are going to do is you are going to use your two fingers to expand it a little. We need to delete some excesses. All right, we need to delete some other excesses. So at this point that I split, can you see that I pull off this clothes? I'm going to split from here. At that point, I'm about to touch my chest. I'm going to split. You see this middle? I don't need it. I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to have it like this. Good. I'm going to split from here again. So you see this point? I'm about to touch my chest. I'm going to split this middle again. So I'm going to have it like this. And you see? So I need to make some adjustments here. Good. So I'm going to have it like this. Good. So you see from here, I'm going to split. I'm going to move it forward. At that point, I'm about to touch my chest. So I'm going to split. I'm going to delete this middle. Delete. So you are going to have it like this. Can you see? So we are good to go. So let me just split here and delete the rest. So all you just need to do is to add your sound. Can you see this audio? Go over to add audio. Go over to sound. Go over to this memory. So you are going to move down. I have the sound I want to use here. I think this is it. This is sound. So I'm going to split from here. Split. I'm going to delete this one. So let's move this sound here. Okay, let's. Can you see? So all you just need to do is to just try to adjust the sound. Make sure it aligns with the action. All right. If you want to do that, just expand it a little bit. So now you can decide to reduce the speed of this sound a little bit. Let's just go over to speed. You just reduce it, make it 0.9. So now once you make it 0.9, so let's adjust this one. Let's split this one. Okay, split and delete this. Delete. So you adjust this one back. So you have. So it is very straightforward. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, please do what to subscribe. Share this video. So once you are done, just come over here, increase the resolution to 1080p or 2K and export your video. Very straightforward. Please don't forget, drop your comments. Make sure you share this video so that this video can go viral. Please, we need to grow on this channel. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next video.